Hey everybody, my name is Jake Horn. I'm one of the co-founders here at Tripgrid and head of the product team. And I just want to really quickly run you guys through some of the features of Tripgrid as it relates to setting up your workspace and getting your team dialed in. So I'm going to go through this pretty quick, but I hope this is helpful. So I'm going to start by going down to our settings page here. I just want to talk through this really quick. So this is a demo account. You're going to see some names of some Tripgrid team members in here because that's who the people we got in this account. But in your case, this would probably be travel coordinators, travel managers, and some other folks that are participating in helping to manage the travel at your company. So it may also include travel agents. And adding them to the Tripgrid workspace is super easy. So all you got to do is come up here to invite travel planner, first name, last name, email, send that thing off. They're going to get an email that says they've been invited to this particular Tripgrid workspace. They just have to click a link and then bam, they're in. So that's really easy, inviting people to your team so that they can come in and contribute and collaborate with you. The next piece here is building out any templates you may need. So in travel, we build a ton of documents that we're sending out all the time. That could include travel logs, itineraries, arrival and departure reports, cost reports, and Tripgrid allows you to build out templates of those documents so that everything is standardized and consistent for your team. So nobody's building kind of their own personal preference of a document in Excel and doing it their own way, and it's not consistent. And it also reduces a lot of potential for errors because these are fully automated documents. So you come in, you build out a template for how you want, say, an individual itinerary to look. You enter in all the details, you can customize the logo, anything you need to do. And then all of your team members are going to have access to that as they go through Tripgrid and they need to build things out. So it's as simple as them just clicking a button saying, I need an individual itinerary. We fill in all the travel and you're good to go. The next set here is configuring any fields that you need to do. So you can customize the way that you want flights to look, transportation, accommodations, rail. We have default templates for all of these, which cover most all of the standard travel use cases. But you're also welcome to come in and configure those. If there's certain stuff that you'd like to store as part of your travel data, then by all means, that's what that is built for. And then the last piece here that I want to share with you guys is the tags. This is a really powerful feature inside of Tripgrid. So you can come in and you can say, I want to store tags for my team, my project IDs, my departments, my business units. And it's as simple as just coming in and say, okay, let's also include a sales option here for a team and save that. And what that does is that means that now we can go back and when we're looking at travel inside Tripgrid, we could say, okay, this particular flight here, that was for the sales team. And so we can save that. And then in the future, if you're building out a cost report or you're building out a grid with a filtered set of data, you can say, show me all of the flights for the sales team. And we can pull that information for you. Helps you clean up your data and keep things really consistent and gives you that visibility that you need. So I hope that was helpful. I just wanted to walk you through some of the real quick basics of configuring your Tripgrid workspace and show you that there's a better way to do this stuff than managing it all in Excel and on people's desktops. So I hope it was helpful. Again, we're going to continue to make more of these and walk through some of the basic features of Tripgrid, and we look forward to hearing from you. Take care.